Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. We're not going to start with chapstick. We're going to reapply what is on our lips, which is the Stila Gloss in Beauty Boss. And yes, us trolls are beauty bosses. The concept of the Crazy Troll Nation is just having fun on your channel. The troll part is not caring too much about what the beauty community standards are. Wearing what you want to wear and rock it with confidence. It doesn't matter what brand, what tool, what technique. Because there are some people who down drugstore, there are some people who down luxury. It's your money, buy what you want to buy, wear what you want to wear. Boom. And also, self-love and self-acceptance. Embrace your natural features, enhancing them if you want to, but not because you feel like you have to. Love yourself for who you are and for how you look, even without makeup on. That's the concept of the Crazy Troll Nation. This is what else you will see here. I got a box and it's not for me, but this is everything that's in it. This is subscriber appreciation, meaning you must be subscribed prior to this video uploading to be eligible. Everything will be down below. So what is in here is, and I know I've talked about these and I'm excited because I'm ready to get this box out of here. So there are 3 packs of these. The Peter Thomas Roth face masks and the Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. So there are 3 of these. 2 will be for here on YouTube and 1 will be for Instagram. I don't know if I'm gonna do that often because my love is here on YouTube, and so I don't think I'm going to keep doing giveaways on Instagram because I don't do a lot of stuff on Instagram. Also, of course, not the whole pack, okay? I'm going to open these up, and since there's 6, yeah, you'll get 1 of each. This one is the classic, the original, it says. This one has SPF 15 in it. So you're going to get 1 of those. You will win 1 of these. My skin loves this stuff. I have reviews on the masks, I have reviews on the eye patches, I have reviews on this in my skincare playlist. I have a playlist for like every single thing I do almost. And so you will get 1 of these. It is fragrance free. My skin loves it. Also, you will receive 2 of the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta pills. This is step 1, put it on, wait 2 minutes, and use step 2, which neutralizes. Alpha beta pills. The alpha is alpha hydroxy acid, the beta is beta hydroxy acid. So if you're already using alpha hydroxy or AHAs or BHA cleansers, you may not want to use this unless your skin is just really tough. For me, I don't need that much. So you will receive 2 of these to try. And going back to the masks, I do have sensitive skin. If you've been here, you know this. I kept a box of the eye patches for myself, but I took out the cucumber ones because they burned my under eye area. So you will also receive an extra cucumber mask. If you happen to win and you don't like the cucumber ones, or if you've tried them and they burned, let me know and I'll just divvy that up between the other winners, or still take it if you know someone who may want to try it and use it, because I just don't, I would rather you not throw this stuff away. You will receive Cottonelle flushable wipes. Some people are dead set against flushing them, but you can use them, you know, at your makeup station, wipe down your bathroom countertops or whatever. So for YouTube, you will receive 1 of these, and actually for Instagram too, because I can pull another one out of my closet because I got a bunch of them. Also, I have another surprise. But I'm going to keep it as a surprise. And so I have something else to give, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. So again, please read below what you need to do. This is not going to stay open long because I have other stuff coming up, and a couple of the collabs I have coming up, they wanted to do giveaways. And so it's a lot of stuff, and I don't like clutter. And this has been here. I know I've been hinting at it for a while, and I'm really excited for this because I love his face masks. And the vitamin C eye patches I liked, and the 24K gold ones I liked, and I love the Olay serum. If I really love something, especially having sensitive skin, because a lot of stuff does not work for me, when I really love something, I think other people may love it too. And so I just want to share that experience with the hopes that it really does work as well for you as it works for me. And y'all know I'm a chapstick hoe, so y'all already know you're always going to get chapstick. And so that'll be it for this video. Just read below what you need to do, and that'll be it for this video. Thanks.